So we're heading out towards the garden. We didn't really got a whole lot of snow or hardly anything at all here. As you can see, it's clear, no snow. You know we had to do it. We're close, so I can't really see why not to come. Hopefully they have more of those baby D-bombs that slayed them. I have a feeling that bait is going to be a very, very good one to have throughout the cold months. Once I can finally get to Hico Lake, flipping docks. It's the plan anyways. So we'll run in here and see what we can find post Snowstorm 2018. So I don't know how much I will be able to film, but we're gonna try get in and hopefully not get kicked out for filming. But always fun coming in to Cabelas, checking out what they have here. Ma'am. All right. That's nice. Yep. All tackle, I'm all in. Heck yeah. All right, here we go. I'm looking for missile baits. I hope they have them. I don't know why they wouldn't. Bass Pro. You're looking for creature baits that move at all. Okay. They have the craws. So they have the big ones, but not the small ones. The baby deer bombs, I don't see them. Dang it. I may have to get them on the old Amazon. Dang it. Hey.
How's it going?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Two. All right. All right. Those $100. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Jingle bells right now.
Hey! All right, now watch out.
Yeah, jeez.
Is that the thanks we get?
Come on now. Hey, I appreciate
All right, yes, sir. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. And here we have a beautiful snow-covered boat just for you. Snow, you can't see it. It's so white. There we go.
Thank you.